Imagine posting a video tomorrow that gets 10,000 views in 24 hours. Not because you're famous, but because you're the first to do something totally insane and addictive. This kind of video, you won't find it anywhere on the internet because this idea, it never crossed anyone's mind. I made these videos just to teach you, and if you master this style, you could be the very first person to go viral with it. Inshallah, this is about to blow up. This is a 100% original, super engaging concept, and you have to try it. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to make these videos on your phone, how I made mine, what problems I faced, and how you can skip all the headaches. Full step by step. Let's dive in. But before we jump in, if you're new here, smash that subscribe button, drop a like on this video. Step 1, create the AI images, the core visual. To make these videos, you need one killer image, a guy taking a selfie with his front camera, and behind him, a wild animal charging in. That's the magic. But here's the thing, writing AI prompts, it's brutal. It takes hours of brain sweat, but your boy put in the work. I grinded, I tested, and now I've got perfect, ready-to-copy prompts just for you. All you gotta do, go to the description, click my blog link, you'll see the prompts written out, click it, boom, you're in. First post, that bear chasing the dude. Click read more, scroll down, bam. Prompts for jungle animals, tiger, leopard, bear, then big beasts, rhino, gorilla, lion, hyena, then reptiles, snake, crocodile. 4 full categories, 100% free. Below that, motion prompts to turn images into videos. Copy, paste, done. But here's a pro move. Want unlimited prompts? Copy 3 prompts from any category, jump to chatgpt.com or deepseek.com. Paste them, then type, write 10 more image prompts just like these. Hit enter, boom, 10 fresh prompts. Want a specific animal? Type in, write for lion, instant custom prompt. Now, take one prompt, go to cart.ai, free daily credits, paste the prompt, set ratio to 9:16, generate 3 to 4 images, and finally, hit generate. Or use leonardo.ai, same deal, custom 9:16, medium size, and generate. I made tons of images on both, 0 duds, every single one, fire. Clean, perfect, ready to animate. But hold up, before you animate these images, you need to do one thing or your video will look like trash. Step 2 is a game changer. The pictures we generated are small images, and small images make blurry videos. So what's next? Step 2, upscale your images, 4K quality hack. Never animate a low-res image. It kills quality. You need big, crisp files. Here's the free hack. Go to pixelcut.ai, edit, image upscaler, upload your image, hit upscale, instant 4K level quality. Do this for every single image. Trust me, this one step is the difference between amateur and pro. Images are now massive and sharp. But hold on, you're about to see a still image and we have to turn it into a heart-pounding chase, and it's easier than you think. Let's go to step 3, animate with AI. 2 tools, 1 winner. Only 2 websites dominate image to video, and I use them in every video. First, head to Kling AI, upload your upscaled image, go back to my blog, copy the motion prompt, it's just 1.5 lines, paste it below the image, and hit generate. Second, Hailuo AI, same process. Upload your upscaled image, paste motion prompt, set it to 5 seconds, generate. Results? Hailuo AI gives decent motion, but Kling AI, nearly real. The animal actually charges. The guy looks terrified. It's insane. Download both versions, pick the best, and you now have a moving clip. But it's silent, and silent is dead. Step 4 is where it comes alive. A video without sound is like a car without an engine. Step 4 is about to give your clip a heartbeat. Step 4, add sound effects and music, the soul. Sound is the secret sauce. Without it, your video is flat. Go to pixabay.com, click sound effects, and search. Lion roar, download growls, running footsteps, panic steps, jungle ambiance, tension. Download everything that matches the video vibe. Then, hit YouTube Audio Library, grab a 10 cinematic background track that fits your video theme. Now, open your video editor, CapCut, VN, InShot, any video editor. Top layer, your AI video. Middle, background music. Bottom, sound effects. Sync the roar when the animal appears, footsteps when he runs. Boom! Your video now has pulse. You've got a full viral-ready clip, but how do you make sure it explodes? You're 60 seconds away from posting a video that could change everything. Step 5 is your launch code. This is a 100% untapped niche. No one is making these. If you start today, you're the pioneer. Post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Use trending sounds, add text, POV, you're filming a selfie, and this happens. This isn't just a video, it's a viral blueprint. New idea equals new audience equals explosive growth. Inshallah, you're about to go viral. If this fires you up, smash the like button. Share this with your creator friends, they need this. For more knowledge, more growth, more support, subscribe and hit the bell on all. We meet 3 times a week with new ways to blow up.